Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about your high bay lighting in your hangar. Now, ours will have metal halide, mercury vapor, and sodium vapor lights hanging in my hangar. I have 4 lights, 3 different varieties, and they all use about 400 watts. And as you know, they're slow to turn on, and this is what they look like. 400 watts in a small area produces a lot of light. So as part of the change, the first thing we did was we put a meter on the lights, and we had everything else in the shop off so we could record how much electricity did we use in 1 hour running just the bright lights. And then from that we will make a decision, and we're going to be ordering some 750 watt LEDs from Home Depot. But here you can see the time just ticking by really quick as we're watching the meter go on the tag meter. And then here's a little thing where we made them both on the same for simplicity's sake. And so here you can see the time going by and the going up. So we are going to be converting these to 750 watt LEDs. We've ordered them from Home Depot, and we will send you a difference later on these. Here's the nice thing about LED high bays, and here we are down at T11 showing you our 6 down there. You turn them on, they come right back on when you turn them on. So it's a really nice thing about LEDs. So we hope you found all this information about lighting useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.